Picking used to be really hard for me until I started doing these 2 drills every day. Run it. Drill 1. 5 notes, 2 strings. Economy picking. I know that's going to scare some folk, but trust me, this is the way for effortless picking. You won't find me in the comments section arguing which is better or faster, but this is effortless. Just draw that in until the cows come home and Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. Next, drill 2. 7 notes, 2 strings. Descending this time, covering both directions for your picking. Again, drill that one in, watch your descending runs skyrocket. Bonus tip, close your eyes and feel the path of least resistance. Put your attention on your pick angle across the strings, feel what's working, what's not. Your body knows the way. You've just got to close your eyes and get out of it. More exercises and tabs on my Patreon. Hit me up if you want one-on-one lessons. Slots have opened up. See you in the next one. Peace.